the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow.
Good morning. Today is December 11. Mag-alas 6 na, guys. Kunin ko lang sa car yung binili kong ibibigay ni Holly sa kanyang teachers. Dalawa yung pagbibigyan niya. Tapos si Sak dalawa din. Si Kuya ayaw niya magbigay. Kay Holly at Sak lang yung binilhan kong teachers kasi si Kuya ayaw niya magbigay. Ayaw niya. So, yung kay Sak, sabi ni Sak, balutin ko. Yung kay Holly, hindi ko na kailangan balutin. Ito ko lang sa inyo. Yung ating binili. Tapos yung kay Sak, babalutin lang. Ito kay Sak. Sabi ni Sak, simple lang daw yung biling ko. So, ayan. Ano siya? Hair care kit. So, yan kay Sak. Meron siyang hair mask. Tapos, hair turban, one piece. So, turban pala to. Akala ko towel. Or face. Face. Yung towel ba sa ano? Sa buhok. So, yan. So, yan yung kay Sak. Ang kay Holly ay eto. Ayan yung laman. Ayan yung kay Holly. So, hair care din siya. So, meron siyang shampoo 150 ml, hair mask 50 ml, hair mist 50 ml, turban. Okay. Turban din pala. Tapos, brush. So, ayan yung kay Holly. Dalawa. Pareho lang. So, ayan. Yung kay Sak lang naman yung babalutin ko. So, balutin ko muna yung kay Sak kasi ayaw niya raw makita ng mga friends niya kung ano yung iregalo niya. Sabi ko, pwede na ba ito? Sasayin niyo. So, balutin natin siya. Balutin ko lang. So, dito natin ibabalot. Kay Holly kasi hindi na naman pwede. Hindi naman siya kailangan balutin na. Kasi, meron na siyang sarili. Ang cute nga eh. Hindi ko makita yung double-sided kong tape. Para hindi sa nakita. Pero okay lang naman, hindi naman kita.
It's December again. I can't believe it.
Last day of school. Nasabi ko ba? Ito na yung last day. Oh my God. Next year, grade 3 na si Holly. Si Sak, grade 6. Si Kuya, kung sa atin, second year high school. Oh my God. So, yung papabaon ko sa kanila is, ham and cheese. Ayan. So, yung next. Dalawa din kasi yung teachers ni Sak. Then si Holly. Kaya, tig-isa yung kanilang mga teachers. So, ayan, ready na. Ayan. Ayan yung kanilang lunch. And yan yung kanilang fruits. Yung blueberries saka strawberries. Ayan, kanilang regalo sa teachers. And meron din tayong banana mini muffins. Ayan. Lagyan natin to ng name nila. Pero si Sak na lang, tsaka si Holly magsulat dyan. Stick ito kay... Ayan, stick natin dito. Okay, tapos ito kay Sak. Nakaligo na sila. Ayan, nakaligo na siya. Hoy, fix your hair. Si Kuya naliligo pa. Ito na, ayusan ko na. Good afternoon, guys! Anong oras na ba? 12:29. Today is Friday. Lagay ko muna kayo dito. Ay, yung camera para siyang tagilid. Kasi yung clip niya, guys, ano na siya, maluwag na siya. Kasi parang may nawalang tornilyo. So, baka pa naglalakad, baka maingay siya. But anyway, today is Friday, December 13. And merong package dito. Holly, come here. And bukas na pala, guys, yung aming party. And sad to say, hindi kami makakasama kasi busy si Johnny Boy sa work.
Yeah.
Dapat, nung pinlano namin yung date, tinanong ko siya, si Jan, sabi niya, hindi raw talaga siya sure kung makakasama. Tapos sabi ko naman, pag hindi siya makasama, kami ni Holly at saka ng boys ang pupunta. Mag-bus lang kami. Tapos si Sak ngayon, where's Kuya Sak?
Kuya Zak's at a birthday party.
Oh, may party si Sak. Tapos, si Kuya may ghost today. Tapos, naisip ko, kung kami lang ni Holly, pwede naman kami ni Holly, pero feeling ko, hindi rin ako mag-i-enjoy na kami lang. Kasi, di ba, every year may family picture kami doon. So, parang ansad-sad naman na, pero hindi talaga, hindi ko rin kaya na magpa-party ako, tapos nandito yung boys. So, yeah. Tinext ko na sila, kasi nga, hindi pa ako sure kung pupunta kaming dalawa ni Holly. Tapos sabi ko, wag na lang kasi yeah, hindi kami kompleto. Kaya sabi ko kay Sisi Reyes, mag-click and collect. Well, tinanong ni Sisi Reyes kung sino mga nakuha ko para yung mga bata mayroong mabuksan. Kasi syempre, may as in, okay na lahat. May kasi alam ko, kami ni Holly tsaka yung boys, dapat pupunta. O kami lang ni Holly. Pero na-realize ko, hindi rin ako magiging, hindi rin yung isip ko, hindi ko rin ma-enjoy yung party kasi nandito. Tapos, doon, alam nyo yon. So, kanina lang, tinext ko siya kasi nga, parang binibigyan ko pa yung sarili ko. Tapos, punta ba? Hindi. Sabi ko, wag na lang. At dito na, nag-final na talaga ako ngayon. So, tinext ko si Reyes na yung mga nakuha ng mga bata sa Kris Kringle. Kung pwede, i-click and collect niya dun sa Kmart. Sorry. Thank you, Sisi. Sabi niya, okay lang naman daw sa kanya. So, si Sisi yung nag-asikaso nun, Sisi Reyes. Tapos, yung eto naman, yung messenger ko, guys, hindi nag-update ang phone ko. So, hindi ako yung messenger namin, sa group chat namin, hindi ako makapag-chat. So, maka-receive lang sila sa akin. Minsan, hindi ko nga ma-receive yung mga message nila eh. So, yeah, nagluloko yung aking guys. Hindi ko alam, baka ipapa-service ko siya kasi yung iMessenger ko hindi gumagana masyado. Minsan, ganito, tanggap mo ba to? O sabi pa ni Sisi Reyes, pag may time ka bukas, pag nag-change yung mind mo sabihan mo ako, humabol ka. Yeah, sorry. But yeah, gusto ko kami, complete. Kasi hindi talaga pwede, kasi nga, si Jan, busy siya. So, yeah. So, anyway, ito yung buksan natin. So, may nagpadala. Thank you sa Ito ba yun, Baba? Can you get the, cutter, please? Kasi walang nakalagay lang sa akin.
I'm guessing it's a bag.
You guessing?
It feels like a bag.
Okay, unbox natin. Natin ito. Thank you sa nagpadala. Taga New Zealand siya Okay. Okay, go. Open. It's a bag nga. Thank you. Hindi naman kailangan. Pero thank you. So, gustong-gusto niya raw si Holly. What you gonna say? Say thank you, tita. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan.
Thank you, tita.
Siya, from New Zealand. Tingnan ko lang yung email niya. Kasi nag-email siya wait lang. Wait lang, baby. I'm just gonna check the email. Say, thank you, Tita Nina, Elena.
Thank you, Tita Nina.
Nina. Elena.
Elena.
Thank you so much. My card ba? Thank you. So, open it. What's in the bag? You do it. It's from, from where?
Snickers.
Migos. Gustong-gusto niya raw si Holly, kaya pinadala niya si Holly ng bag. Okay. So, when you go to Adel, this is your bag.
This one?
Yes. Open.
Oh, no,
Inside.
It's the wrong one.
Oy, thank you so much. First time ni Holly makatanggap ng from subscriber. So, nakita niyo yung niya. Okay.
Wait, what's this? What?
Wow, show it. What you gonna say to Tita?
Thank you.
So much. Merry Christmas.
And there's
Wow,
also
we're-
a drink bottle.
Oh, same as your bag. So, say thank you. Say Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Oy, maraming salamat. Oh, ang cute. Merong, kailangan niya to kasi nag-ask siya sa akin din na. What did you ask me before? Color, what was that?
I needed color pencils.
Color
and
pencil and pen. So, mayroon na siya dito.
Mom, there's eyeshadow.
Eyeshadow. Oh, eto naman, makeup
And lip gloss
kakikayan.
and nail
Oh,
polish.
thank you. Lahat sa Smiggle. Maraming salamat. Hindi naman kailangan, pero thank you so much. You make Holly so happy, right, Baba? Thank you. Okay, so where are we going today? So, yun yung sa news ko.
And there's also texters here.
Yes, hindi kayo ngayon lang kayo hindi makaka-attend ng party, oy. Pero, yeah. But, today, where are we going?
Kmart to get slime.
Slime. So, ano ko na lang to, i-shopping ko siya kasi nga, nasasad din siya kasi hindi kayo makakapunta. Eh, ang nabunot niya pa naman na, sa Kris Kringle, si Wonka. So, yeah. Okay, let's go. We're going to Kmart.
Kmart.
Kaya ba yung last vlog ko, guys? Busy din pala ako mag-input dun sa aking website, guys, kasi gusto ko na yun matapos, pero alam mo yung parang malapit na pero ang layo pa kasi ang dami kong nilalagay. Ang dami ko kasing items. So, isa-isa ko siyang nilalagay sa sa website. So, yun yung aking kinakaabalahan. Tapos, meron na akong dumating nung nakaraan na box na lagay ko na sa tindahan and merong isang dumating kahapon.
I think you need to tighten it up, bud.
Ha? Meron ako ditong isa pang box i-unbox. So, ito na lang ang gawin ko mamaya or bukas habang nagpa-party yung aking mga indays. So, yan. Buksan ko to from the Philippines to mga collagen. Kung naghanap kayo ng collagen, message sa Holly Mom Style. And, yeah. Marami tayong collagen, guys. And mga iba pang mga skincare. Okay? Kain muna kayo dito sa Kentucky.
Another one.
Yeah.
So now we have 3.
Parang nalibre kami ng isa ng frozen Mountain Dew. Kasi binigyan ulit kami. So, thank you. And ayan yung order ni Holly. Popcorn chicken sa kanya. Sa akin coleslaw. And chicken tender, yung spicy. And original, yan. Hindi ako mo ng chips. Ayan yung akin. Ang lakas ng pa-music dito. Tapos na kayo kumain dito sa KFC. Punta na tayo ng Kmart. We're off to Kmart.
Yes! I'm so
Excited na siya.
excited.
Just wait, Baba. Okay, let's go.
Hello.
Hi! Excited siyang mag-shopping sa sarili niya. Ang dami ngayon nagsha-shopping, guys. Kasi malapit ng Christmas and yung ibang school holiday na. Ito, diba? School holiday na sila. Pero yung iba, may pasok pa din hanggang Friday. Wala naman masyado na dito sa Kmart. Tatapos na nito si Holly. Ano bang kunin natin dito sa batang to sa Pasko?
Should we get this one for Mackenzie because it's her birthday and it's birthday slime?
It's up to you, baby.
Or which one slime should I go?
Not sure. It depends what you want. Huh? We're still looking, guys.
For Mackenzie.
We are still looking. Yeah.
Look at this one. Santa's holding a Mentos. It's a
Yeah.
Christmas Mentos. Smells good.
Huh?
Smells good. Smell.
Oh yeah, it smells good. Ang bango niya. It smells like lollies.
Yeah.
Oh, it smells like that, Mentos.
Oh yeah. It's a shark holding Hershey's.
Yeah. Does it smells good?
No, that one doesn't smell.
Oh, okay.
Stitch. Stitch. Good night, Matt. Riding my horse.
Okay.
My horse. Where do I put this?
I don't know. It's up to you, baby.
I fell.
Ang cute niya.
There is some there. So maybe
Punta na kayo dito sa kung saan siya kumana ng press on nails.
and finally.
How's your nails? May missing na pala
Yeah,
siya.
there's
Oh.
missing. So,
Wala na. Ito yung kinuha niya before.
yeah, that's before.
$5.
Yeah.
Okay. So, wala na. Ubos.
Or boss.
Ubos
That
na.
means nothing.
No more. Yeah. O, diba? Ang labo. Bahay na pala kami. Anong oras na? 4. And yung mga boys, si Jan tsaka si Kuya nag-golf. And hindi tayo magluluto kasi doon sila kakain. Si Sak, nasa party pa si Sak. Mamaya pa yung pipick up
And
ni
I'm
Jan.
going to a party tomorrow.
Oh, yeah pala. Bukas. Inano ko na lang si Holly mag-attend doon sa birthday party ni Mackenzie. Yung
Yeah.
kadance niya, guys. So, in-invite siya noon. Tapos, sinabi ko naman before na na-assure. Tapos, kanina nag-confirm ako. Sabi ko, sige, si Holly makakapunta kasi nga hindi tayo pupunta ng Adelaide. So, para bukas, may ganap siya. 3 to 5 yung...
So while we were at Kmart, we got Mackenzie some stuff too.
Yeah, yung... tsaka, and your slime. So, bukas, magpa-party siya 3 to 5. Swimming yung ano, guys, yung party. So, ida-drop off ko siya
At
doon.
Willanda.
Yeah, at Willanda. Okay. Show to them what you got for Mackenzie. Show what you got for Mackenzie.
So for Mackenzie, we got her a scented mystery squad, and it's like a squishmallow. So cute, and it's scented. Smells good. And for also Mackenzie, we got her. We're gonna put one candy cane in her card. So
In a
that's
bag.
it. Yeah, in a bag. And we got her a watermelon lip balm that you can just rub on your lips. And we got her some clothes too. We got her like this t-shirt. And we
This is
also
dark
got
green.
her
I
shorts.
think it's dark. Is that dark?
Mm.
Yeah.
And we got her
Anna?
pairs with shorts. Here.
Oh.
They're pairs.
So, siya raw ang gagawa. And you're gonna make...
No, it's already made slime.
No, the card.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna make the
Oh,
card.
bibili sa ako ng card pero sabi niya gagawa na lang daw siya ng card para personal. And hindi ako bumili ng paper bag kasi i-recycle na lang natin to. Ang ganda-ganda pa nitong paper
Yeah, it's so
bag.
cute.
Yeah, so we have to put it here. We just
And
gonna...
my slime.
Yeah. So, yan ang pinunta talaga namin. And then, kinuha na rin namin ng regalo si Mackenzie.
Can I open the plastic?
Yeah. This empty.
Yeah.
So, ibalot natin
And where's
to
the knife?
Did you go to the toilet already, Baba? Kasi
Yeah.
naiihi na yung kanina.
I did when
Hmm?
you were still in the car.
Careful with that one, ha? Okay. Ang bango nito.
Yeah, it smells so good.
Smells so good. Siya ang pumili
I wish
nito.
you guys can smell it.
Ang bango-bango niya to. Para siyang cotton candy.
Yeah, it smells like that.
So, all you have to do is,
Make her the card.
yeah. Ang cute ng mga napili niya. In fairness sa kanya. Ito, magagamit niya sa dance lesson.
Yeah.
Kinuha ko size 7 kasi yung size 8, 8 na siya eh.
It's a bit too big.
Yeah. Di ba nabigyan niya ako? It's a bit too big. So, 7 yung kinuha natin.
Yep.
And baka magbukas ako ng box. Ayusin ko. So, dito. Yung paninda ko ba? Oh.
What?
What's the smell?
Kind
Oh.
of smells good.
Yeah, oh, yeah, it smell lolly. So, di ba yan na guys? Ito yung regalo niya para sa bukas. Kung natuloy kami sa sa Adelaide, hindi siya makaka-attend ng
You
party.
can put this one in the bin.
So, at least siya may option. Makaka-party pa rin siya.
Well, that feels good.
So, where you gonna play that one? Ayaw yan ni Daddy. Daddy don't like that. Alright. So, that's for today's vlog, guys. So, yun lang yung vlog namin. Kasi wala yung mga boys. Marami na silang ganap sa buhay nila. So, we'll end the vlog now.
Yeah.
Or, yeah, we'll see, guys. But, yeah, yan yung vlog natin for today. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next vlog. Tomorrow, you're gonna go to the party. Swimming party. So, magsi-swimsuit
You
siya.
don't play with this one.
Okay. Ay, ipakita ko sa inyo pala yung susuotin ko kung natuloy tayo sa... Yes, kung natuloy tayo sa party.
This feels so good. It smells like that jelly food you gave me.
Ito yung sa ASUS ko siya nabili, guys. Ito sana yung... Kasi pastel color kami ngayon, di ba? Ito, ang ganda nito. Ayan.
Oh yeah, that's what you were gonna wear for the party, weren't you?
Yeah. Ito dapat. Ayan siya, guys. Ang cute nito. Backless sa likod. Lakas ko mag-backless ka lang. Ang payat ng likod. Ayan. Tapos... Ganyan.
Mom, do you want a thing to
Sila,
like put
pakita ko
under
lang
the
sa inyo.
table?
Ha?
You want me to?
Yeah, but you have to clean up later, okay?
Yeah, I will.
Alright.
Do you want to put something?
Okay,
under?
napakita ko lang sa inyo, guys. Marami akong in-order, but ito yung isusot ko sa party. Okay, yun lang. Ayan na yung kanyang slime.
So, let's see if it clicks good. Clicky. Does it crunch as good? Wait, let's see if it makes slime bubbles, guys. I want to see. Am I even a good pro at making
Wow.
slime bubbles? Wait.
May tutupin pala ako dun. Ayan, oh.
Yeah, ready?
Ang busog ako. Si Holly, meron pa dyan na...
Another one.
Yeah. You still have the popcorn chicken there, Holly,
Yeah.
if you get
But
hungry.
Mom, do you hear this?
Yeah.
It's like, it says here.
What? Oh, maybe, here.
I don't know, I can't open it with these.
Alright. Nahihirapan siya sa kanyang press on nails. Hindi ko siya matanggal dito. Merong parang beads. Ayan.
Can you see?
Yeah, ayan.
Can I see?
So, kailangan ko siyang sirain.
Or to make like a crunchy slime, do you know what I mean, guys? Wait, let me try to never make a slime bubble. Let me see. Oh, did you see that one?
So, ayan siya. Sinira ko siya. Let me see.
It is so cute.
Ayan. Yung parang nung ano tayo, elementary o high school, yung nilalagay natin sa cotton para manganak.
Wait, what?
Alam niyo ba yun, yung mabango? Tapos,
What's this?
feeling natin nanganganak sila pag nasa kung sa Bicol Gapas or cotton balls.
Love
Okay.
This, guys. So I'm
Okay.
gonna swirl it, and then I'm gonna put the beads on top. If I can even do a swirl. Okay.
Maganda yung weather, mainit. Okay.
Then, guys.
Para naman yan, cinnamon. Cinnamon. Don't smell it because it might go to your nose.
Yeah.
Okay? Baka pag isinungot mo yan, ano yan sa ilong mo. So, okay. Alright.
Feels so good.
Oh.
Did you hear that crunch? That's so cute.
Alright. Okay. We're gonna close na, guys.
Yeah!
Bye. Maglalaro lang to. Ako magtutupi ako.
In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.